Hello, welcome to Electronic Serviceman video blog. Hope to enjoy this new episode and I have hope that you will come back again. My name is Mark and I have many ideas, but if you have any comments and wishes, please write this under this movie or any movie. Very sorry by my Chinglish, but I am just learning. So those are my first movies, after all, and hope to enjoy. Best regards. Enjoy watching. Leave the comment if you want. If you need, please subscribe my channel on YouTube, and see you next time. Bye. Hi and hello again, my dear viewers. This is my first episode about soldering. This is something how to solder and desolder from to board. It's some small IC. This is SO08 package, so this is not small, not big device, but I have question from friend how to do this. So by the phone I can't help him. So I decide that I will make such instruction movie about. First you have know that there is many more methods of desoldering such elements, but this is simplest way to desolder. I can't show a movie. First you can use soldering iron normal with the tip. You can put tin here on all legs, but in my opinion this is not a very good idea. This is a nasty idea, but sometimes this is only way idea you can use. Method in this movie will be simplest. You have to have a Hotair machine, something like this. This nozzle is big, you can use smaller, bigger. This is only way. If you can use this, you can do all. First, what you need to have is Hotair. Second thing you need to have is tweezer. I have such many tweezers I have, but this is my favorite one. It has very I don't know if my camera will focus on this. This is very sharp tweezer. So you need to have Hotair, tweezer, and PCB. Next, what you need to have is the flux. You can use such flux in a pen. You can use flux like this one. This is RF800, but made by another company. So different name or something like RF800. Next, what you need to have is my favorite solder flux. This is something like this. This is jelly flux, so In my opinion, for such purposes, this is the best flux what you can have. Now some technical ideas. First, you can use or no, something like this. This is a PCB holder. We can put PCB here. Yes. Oh, yes. Next thing we need to do is put solder flux or solder or any other paste on its small amount, as you see here. Yes, this is solder flux. Got this PCB. Yes. This is only for demo purposes, so I will not try this very nice job do or something like that. But this is simple instruction how to do it and how to do it more or less right. Yes, I will set this here, and now I have to do. Now we have to power on our soldering station, Hotair station, or something like that. So this is my Hotair station, or one of my soldering stations, Hotair soldering station. We simply power on. This is Iowa 2702A plus station, but in my opinion all these stations are the same. So we have nozzle, and we put power on station. There is some load. This is air pressure, so we do not need very high air pressure. So now down temperature we set first to about 200 degrees. Wait some time to station will stabilize the temperature. We can, yes, it's okay now. Now we have to put 390 degrees and wait few seconds to stabilize the temperature. And now we have, I do not know if this is, as you can see the red hot inside. So please forgive me my mistakes, but this is very hard to operate a nozzle like this in front of camera. So we try and do this as we can the best. One more thing, you can use such a device as one second please. You can use such a device like this. This is a very good made by me filter that inhale the flames from this, and it is have a filter, so this smoke from here is stops inside this device, and this is very helpful, and you have a good health if you use such device. So we have to first hot all this area from about 2 centimeters. As you see, I move some circles, because if you will put this in one place, you can destroy PCB, you can destroy chips, etc. So first about 2 centimeters from device, a few seconds, then closer, and you try to not make air directly to IC, only for its legs. You can have to make such movement, and a few seconds later you have IC in your hands. I may do this a few seconds ago, but I have to speak. so as you see, this is very simple, and this is simple to bigger devices. As you see here, this is bigger IC. As I told you, you can use different flux. My favorite is flux that is in jelly in paste. The same movement, 2 centimeters, few circles, small distance, smaller distance. Then you have to make about almost directly to legs. This is very hard to do this because near this IC is a plastic socket, so you have to be careful to not destroy this. And few circles more, one more. As you see, that pen flux is not the best as this one, but as you can see, IC is take off. The same is with transistors. If you do this way, you do not destroy elements, because almost impossible is to destroy elements with this method. You have to be patient, because different elements are different in soldering. So as you see, there is no problem to take out device. If you need, you can make even without soldering paste, because this is too possible. But it needs to be done. As you see, this is very simple. This is method how to desolder IC. If you have a part and you do not have a some damage, you can use a simple method to put this device back on the PCB. The same method. One moment. I show you not this. Here is this this small IC, which I can solder back. It is simple. You put element precise on pads, move a few times, solder Hotair, and here we are. Device is soldered. Of course, this needs to be practiced sometimes, but as you see here, we have a socket, plastic socket, and this is not damaged or anything. But if you need to see what happens when you do this wrong, I try to show you what's going if you do this in bad way. Simplest method: we put this machine, this Hotair, to one place and holding this in one place. Oh, how it say? I smell this special smell, but you do not see this. But this is in this way I easily can destroy PCB. I easily can destroy something like micro switch. This PCB is broken, so there is no trouble at all if I destroy more this PCB. But as you see, even if I put out this element, it is destroyed because this switch is not working at all. For such elements there is no problem, but if you do this in elements like capacitor, I will show you what happens, but I have to put my safety glasses, and I will try to show you what happens if you put too much temperature on capacitor. I do not know if this will work, but we'll try. Oh, I smell this. It's hard to show this by such special purpose. Yep. You see what happened if temperature is too high, too low on such element like capacitor. So you can easily think about what is going on when you do this on elements like IC, like bigger capacitors. This was small capacitor, but you saw what is happened. I will try to show you. This is that capacitor that was destroyed by this experiment. Please do not do this at home because it is dangerous. So this is only to show you what happened if you do this wrong. you can even hurt yourself, because such elements can fly a few meters from what you do. So please be careful, not too long, not too much heat, and you will can easily make this good method to desolder elements, because this is only one method you can use. This method is, if you will learn this method, you can easily put out elements from this side of board and from this back solder of the board. You can use Hotair to heat elements on this board, on this side of the board, but put nozzle from back of the board. Of course, if on back on board you do not have any elements, because they pull out, follow. So if you need, if you have any question, please write, and we'll learn more. This is first movie about how to solder, or how to not heat elements, because you can be you can have trouble. So as usual, nice to hear you, nice to see you. Hope to see you again. I have hope that you like my movie, and please be gentle about my Chinglish. I'm just learning. So see you in next movie about soldering.